All right, hello everybody. Thanks so much for joining me and welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael and hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today we're going to be jumping back into Python crash course, doing try yourself problem 6-8, pets. Make several dictionaries where each dictionary represents a different pet. In each dictionary, include the kind of animal and the owner's name. Store these dictionaries in a list called pets. Next, loop through your list, and as you do, print everything you know about each pet. All right, this is pretty similar to our last problem, 6-7, people. But let's go ahead and jump into this one. Let's go ahead and create a variable pet0, which will be a dictionary. This dictionary is going to have two key value pairings of the kind of animal and the owner's name. So we'll say kind separated by a colon, and then this will be snake. And then we have the second key, which is owner. We'll just say is James. All right, we have a dictionary pet0 with two key value pairs, key of kind, which has a value of snake, and key of owner, which has a value of James. Let's go ahead and copy this down. I'm going to make this pet1 now, and the kind is going to be, let's say, dog, and the owner is going to be Pat. All right, we'll copy this down one more time, and we got pet2 here, which equals to a dictionary where the key of kind is going to be equal to cat, and the owner for this cat is going to be Jessica. Cool. We have 3 pets here. Let's go ahead and capture these pets in a list. So we have, like you would guess, a list called pets, which is brackets here, and we're going to insert into here pet0, pet1, and pet2. Now we have a list of pets. Let's loop through our list of pets and then print everything we know about each pet. So we're going to say for pet in pets, right? Each of these dictionaries will be captured in the variable pet here, locally captured in this for loop. Last time in 6-7, you noticed we looped over every single key value pairing, creating this nested for loop structure. I'm going to not do that this time and actually just call a print on the individual pet. The dictionary object in Python is written in a way that has a constructor that will pair with the print function to give a representation of what a dictionary will look like when printed. If we run this function, this is what we get. More of an unstructured format than what we saw previously in 6-7, where the raw dictionary is printed out in this textual representation. Let's go ahead and switch over to the nested for structure to print out each of the key value pairings. For key value in our pet, right, dot items, let's print the key followed by the value. Now let's go ahead and call print after each pet is printed to separate them. If we go ahead and run this program, we get this. Pet0 is printed, pet1 is printed, and pet2 is printed. All right, you guys, this was 6-8 pets. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next one in 6-9. Peace.